Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So before we start, I'll ask for those that's joining us in this channel, please, if you're new, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so I can receive get new videos on how to make money online. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a new website that most of you don't know on how to make money on. And you know the best part of these websites that they have high offers that you can promote that pay up to $700. The ones that pay $500, $850, that is why I love this website. So without wasting much of our time, so let's head over to the website immediately. Let me share my screen. Okay, as you can see, this is the website here. As you can see, this is one of the offer Bitcoin traders app English. They are going to pay you $600. Let's see, per lead, $600. You see, this is for Bitcoin, and you know the good thing is that they pay out their affiliate weekly. So let's go back so that we can see another offer. See this one, click money. You see, click money. This is this one's they pay $850 per lead. This is also cryptocurrency also. So you just have to sign up with the affiliate marketing company or something. You just sign up. If they approve you, you just receive your link, and you start promoting the offer. You start getting paid. These are all the offers. I know that many people don't know this, but this website, I'm telling you, is the best website. They have the most payout rate. The percentage is too much. It's very good. So you may be asking, how will you get traffic? How will you get? And just go to Facebook and just join group like Bitcoin group. Bitcoin group. We just post there. You just go to that place. Say, hey guys, I have some things I need to share with you. This is a free Bitcoin. If you're looking for a way to earn free Bitcoin this time, just check out this link. Just put your link there, and you see people will just click there, and you start getting paid. You start getting laid, and you start having your money. Imagine like for this one, $600. Imagine having up to 10 people, more than, like, let me just say 50. Let's do the calculation. You see, just give me a minute to use some calculator. Okay. Calculator. Okay, let's do 600. Let's just say times 20. Imagine $12,000. $12,000 just within a week. Can you imagine? You see, $12,000 is so much, man. So this is what we're going to be talking about. And also, guys, if you need an ebook that you want to use to start your affiliate marketing, or you need an ebook that you can use that you want to use as your own, you can just message me on my email down below. I'll just give you the ebook. You just get it also in a low cost. Okay, I'll see you guys later. But please don't forget to subscribe on my link.